In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a DKIM record to your domain with Google Workspace 5 minutes. DKIM helps protect your email from spoofing and improves deliverability by letting receiving servers verify that messages were authorized and unaltered. We'll set it up in the Google Admin Console and your DNS provider, then turn it on in Gmail. First, sign into the Google Admin Console with an account that has administrator privileges. Once you're in, head to Apps, then Google Workspace, and open Gmail. In the Gmail settings page, look for Authenticate Email. This is where Google guides you through creating the DKIM record for your domain. If your organization has more than one domain, make sure the correct domain is selected in the domain picker. Next, generate a new record. Keep the default selector prefix unless you have a specific naming standard. For the key size, choose 2048-bit if your DNS host supports it. It's more secure and widely accepted. If your provider doesn't allow 2048-bit keys, select 1024-bit. Google will now display two important pieces of information: the DNS host name and the TXT record value. Copy both. You'll paste these into your DNS host in the next step. Open a new tab and log into your domain registrar or DNS provider. Find the DNS management or zone editor for your domain and add a new TXT record. In the host or name field, paste the host name you copied from the admin console. In the value or TXT field, paste the full TXT record value exactly as shown. Tip: some DNS providers automatically append your domain to the host name. If you see your domain already added, don't duplicate it. Also, leave the TTL at its default unless you have a reason to change it. Save the new TXT record. Return to the Authenticate Email page in the Google Admin Console. When your DNS change is saved, click Start Authentication. Google will periodically check your DNS for the DKIM record you just created. Propagation can take time depending on your DNS provider. Once the change is visible on the internet, the status in the admin console will update to show that your email is being authenticated with DKIM. From that point on, Gmail will sign outgoing messages for that domain. If it doesn't verify after a while, double check that you used the exact host name and value, that the selector matches what you generated, and that your DNS provider didn't truncate the TXT record. With that, your domain is set up with DKIM in Google Workspace.